Welcome to my VSL Studio review. This is a brand new AI-powered video creation platform launching on December 8 on JVZoo. And in this review, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, break down the pricing, and tell you honestly if it's worth your money or not. No fluff, just real talk from someone who knows this space. So let's dive in. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is VSL Studio? Well, in simple terms, it's an AI-powered video creation platform that's specifically designed to create video sales letters and marketing videos. Now, if you're not familiar with the term VSL, it basically means video sales letter. Think of those videos you see on landing pages where someone is explaining a product or service, building up the problem, offering a solution, and then making an offer. Those are VSLs and they convert like crazy when done right. And here is what makes VSL Studio different from all the other video tools out there. Instead of you having to write scripts, record voiceovers, find stock footage, edit everything together, and then spend hours rendering, this platform uses AI to all of that heavy lifting for you. You literally just give it some input, whether that's a website URL, a simple text prompt, or even a PDF document, and it creates a complete video with voiceover, visual animations, and everything already put together. Now the big promise here is that you don't need any technical skills. You don't need any video editing experience. And the rendering is supposed to be fast. We're talking minutes, not hours or days. The platform offers multiple animation styles, so your videos don't all look the same, and it's launching on the JVZoo marketplace, which means it's a one-time payment, not one of those monthly subscription traps that drain your wallet every single month. So on paper, it sounds pretty solid, but let's actually get into the platform and see how it performs in real life. Alright, so when you first log into VSL Studio, you land on the main dashboard. And I have got to say, my first impression was actually pretty positive. The interface is clean. It's not cluttered with a million buttons and options that confuse the hell out of you like some other platforms. Everything is laid out in a way that just makes sense, even if you have never used a video creation tool before. Right at the top, you will see the category section area, and this is where you choose what style of video you want to create. Now, with the base package, you get 6 different animation styles to work with. Let me quickly walk you through them because each one has a different vibe and use case. You have got dynamic stock footage, which is basically real-life video clips stitched together with text overlays. This works great for corporate or professional videos. Then there is 2D or 3D hybrid animation, which gives you that modern, sleek animated look that you see in a lot of explainer videos these days. Next up is whiteboard animation. Now, if you have been in marketing for a while, you know whiteboard videos have been crushing it for years because they feel educational and keep people engaged. Then you have got paper craft stop motion, which has that unique handcrafted feel to it, almost like someone is physically cutting out paper and moving it around. It's quirky and stands out. There is also infographic graphics, which is perfect when you are presenting data, statistics, or step-by-step processes. And finally, 2D character animation, where you get those animated characters explaining things, which works really well for storytelling style videos. The navigation is straightforward. You are not going to spend 20 minutes trying to figure out where everything is. It's designed for people who want to get in, create their video, and get out without pulling their hair out in frustration. Now let's talk about how you actually create videos with this platform, because this is where VSL Studio really shines. They have given you 4 different methods to create videos, and the reason this matters is because depending on your situation, one method might work way better than another. Alright, so method number 1 is the URL input method, and honestly, this is probably the fastest way to create video. Here is how it works. Let's say you are doing affiliate marketing and you want to create a review video about a product, or maybe you are offering a video creation services to local businesses. All you need to do is grab the URL of the website or landing page you want to create a video about. You paste that URL into the platform and the AI goes to work. It actually visits that page, extracts the content, reads through the information, and then creates a complete video based on what it found. In the demo, they used a Roto-Rotor plumbing company website as an example. They literally just copied the URL, pasted it in, selected a male voice from the voice library, and here is something cool. You will actually preview the voice before you commit to it. Nobody wants to generate an entire video and then realize the voice sounds robotic or just doesn't fit the vibe, right? After selecting the voice, you choose your video duration. In this case, they went with 36 seconds. And then you pick your resolution, horizontal or vertical. Vertical is class if you are creating content for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, while horizontal is better for traditional YouTube videos or website embeds. Hit generate and you are done. The whole process takes maybe 2 minutes of actual work on your part. Method number 2 is prompt-based creation. And this is where you have a bit more creative control. Instead of relying on an existing website, you just type out what you want the video to be about. You can be super simple with it, like create a video about how to start an online business, or you can get detailed and specific if you have a clear vision in your mind. The AI takes your prompt, builds out a script, finds relevant visuals, adds a voiceover, and puts everything together. In the demo, they typed in a basic prompt about starting an online business, selected the line or animation style, choose a voice called Oracle, set it up to 36 seconds, horizontal resolution, and hit generate. While that video is rendering, here is the beauty of it. You can start creating another video. You are not stuck waiting around. The platform tunes everything up and processes it in the background. Method number 3 is the upload method. And this one is a game changer if you are working with local businesses or clients who already have materials prepared. Let's say you reach out a dental clinic, a law firm, or real estate agent, and they hand you a PDF with all their company information, services, testimonials, or whatever. Instead of manually going through that document and creating a script yourself, you just upload the PDF or Google Doc directly into VSL Studio. The AI reads through it, pulls out the important information, and creates a video based on that content. You still get to choose your animation style, voice, and resolution, but the heavy lifting of creating content is handled for you. This is perfect if you're running a video marketing agency because you can charge clients a premium for custom videos, but your actual workload is minimal. Now, method number 4 is the scene by scene builder, and this gives you the most control over your final video. Instead of letting the AI decide everything, you manually build out each scene. Each scene is 8 seconds long, and you write the specific message you want for that scene. In the demo, they created 2 sets. The first one said, thinking of starting an online business, and the second one said, you can start an affiliate marketing business and grow it to 6 figures in the space of 12 months. You can add as many scenes as you need to hit your desired video length. This method is perfect when you have a very specific sales message, a particular flow you want to follow, or when you are creating a funnel where every word matters. Once you add your scenes, you select your animation style, but notice you don't choose the video length here, because the length is automatically determined by how many scenes you create. Everything else works the same. Pick your voice, resolution, and generate. So those are your 4 methods, and the flexibility here is actually impressive. Whether you need something super fast with minimal input or you want full creative control, you have got options. Let's talk about some of the other features that make this platform worth considering. First up, voice selection. This might seem like a small thing, but it's actually huge. The platform has a library of different voices, both male and female, with different tones and accents. And like I mentioned earlier, you can preview each voice before you commit. You just click the little play button next to the voice name and you will hear a sample. This saves you from wasting credits on a video that sounds off. Next, video length options. Depending on which package you buy, you can create videos that are 35 seconds, 70 seconds, or if you upgrade to the business tier, up to 105 seconds. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, 105 seconds? That's barely under 2 minutes. What if I need longer videos? Here's the thing. VSLs are designed to be short, punchy, and to the point. Most high-converting VSLs are under 2 minutes anyway, because attention spans online are incredibly short. If you're trying to create 10-minute videos, this isn't the tool for that. But for quick marketing videos, product intros, and sales letters, these lengths are perfect. Resolution options are also great. You can choose horizontal, which is your standard 16:9 widescreen format, or vertical, which is 9:16 for mobile-first content. With how much traffic is coming from mobile devices and platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts blowing up, having native vertical video support is essential. You are not trying to repurpose horizontal videos and crop them awkwardly. You are creating native vertical content from the start. The advanced settings let you add captions. And let me tell you, captions are non-negotiable in 2025. Most people scroll through social media with their sound off. So if your video doesn't have captions, you are losing a massive chunk of potential viewers. You can choose where the captions appear on screen and select the caption style. There are also language options if you upgrade to the Pro version, which I will get into in a minute. Rendering speed is another big deal. Once you hit generate, you will see a pop-up notification telling your video is in queuing, and in the output area, you can see a percentage bar showing the rendering progress. From what I have tested, the rendering is fast. We're talking a few minutes, not hours. Once it's done, you click on the video to preview it, and if you're happy with it, you click the 3 dots and download it. Simple as that. Alright, now let's get into the pricing, because this is where you need to pay attention. VSL Studio has a front-end offer and then several upsells, and depending on what you need, you might only need the base package or you might want to grab one of the upgrades. Let me break it all down so you can make an informed decision. The front-end offer is called VSL Studio Starter, and it's a one-time payment of $47. For that, you get 1000 credits per month. Now you might be wondering, what the hell is a credit? Basically, credits are how the platform measures users. A 70-second video costs 100 credits and a 35-second video costs 50 credits, okay? So with 1000 credits, you can create 10 videos at 70 seconds each or 20 videos at 35 seconds each. You get access to the 6 VSL styles I mentioned earlier. Your videos are rendered in 720 pixel quality, and you can use the URL, prompt and upload creation methods. The scene by scene builder is locked unless you upgrade. Now, there is also a bump offer during checkout where you can add 2000 extra credits per month for an additional $97. This brings your total monthly credits to 3000, which means 30 videos at 70 seconds or 60 videos at 35 seconds. If you're planning to use this for client work or you are running multiple campaigns, the bump might be worth it. The first upsell is VSL Studio Pro at $67 one time. This unlocks multilingual video creation, and we are talking 32 languages here. You can see all these languages are available. If you are targeting international markets or you have clients in different countries, this is a no-brainer. You also get the scene-by-scene builder unlocked, which gives you that full manual control I talked about earlier. And you get one voice prompt, which means you can upload a sample of your own voice or a client's voice and the AI will replicate it. That's powerful for branding, because every video can sound like you or your client, not some generic AI voice, right? So the second option is VSL Studio Business at $97 one time. This extends your video length to 105 seconds, and you also get priority rendering. So if the queue is backed up, your videos jump to the front of the line. If you're doing time-sensitive campaigns or you just hate waiting, this might be worth it. The third option is VSL Studio Booster plus styles at $127 one time. This gives you 6 additional animation styles, bringing your total to 12 styles. The new styles include digital cutout animation, fluid morphing animation, line art animation, watercolor animation, doodle sketch animation, and comic storyboard style. These are more premium, unique styles that help your videos stand out. You also get 2000 extra credits per month. So your total would be 3000 credits including the front end. And then there is the Pro Bundle deal. This is where you get the front end plus all 3 upsells bundled together for $167 and up depending on the extra configuration. There is also a bundle bump where you can add 5000 credits per month for $167 per year, or a downsell option at $77 for 2000 credits per month. Now here is something important. There is a credit users disclaimer that states because the platform relies on third-party technologies, credit rates and allocations may be adjusted over time if those third-party costs change. They say they will notify customers in advance, but just know that the credits you get today might not be the same a year from now. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of. So which package should you get? If you're just testing the waters or you only need a few videos per month, the front end at $47 is fine. If you're serious about using this for business, grab at least the Pro upgrade for multilingual support and voice cloning. If you're doing high volume client work, the booster pack with extra credits makes sense. Just don't buy stuff you don't need. Let's talk pros and cons, because no software is perfect, and I want to give you the full picture. On the pro side, the flexibility is huge. 4 different creation methods means you can adapt to whatever situation you are in. Whether you have a URL, a prompt, a PDF, or a detailed scene-by-scene script, you are covered. The rendering times are legitimately fast. I'm not sitting around for an hour waiting for a video to process. We're talking few minutes, which means you can create multiple videos in a single session. The learning curve is basically non-existent. If you can copy and paste a URL and click a few buttons, you can use this platform. The multiple animation styles keep your content from looking repetitive. The vertical and horizontal format options are clutch for modern marketing. The voice preview feature is a small detail that makes a big difference. And the one-time payment structure is a huge pro. You are not locked into a monthly subscription that keeps charging you forever. Now the cons. The credit system can be limiting, especially on the base tier. If you're creating a lot of videos, you will burn through credits fast. The video length restrictions might be an issue if you occasionally meet something longer. The base package only includes 720p quality, not 1080p. So if you are super particular about resolution, you will notice. The credit users disclaimer is a bit concerning because it means the value you are getting today might change in the future. And finally, this is specifically built for VSL style videos. If you need something outside that scope, you will need a different tool. Now, if you do decide to grab VSL Studio, I have put together some exclusive bonuses that you are only going to get if you purchase through my link in the description below. I have handpicked some amazing tools, software, and training that will save you time, help you grow faster, and get the most out of your purchase. If you want to check out all the bonuses in detail, I have created a special bonus page for you. You can find the link in the video description below. Make sure to check it out so you know exactly what you are getting along with VSL Studio. When you click through and purchase, my bonuses will be automatically delivered to you. Alright, so here is my final verdict. Is VSL Studio worth it? For most people watching this video, yes. If you are in affiliate marketing, if you run a digital agency, if you are a consultant working with local businesses, or if you just need a fast, reliable way to create professional looking video sales letters without spending hours editing or hundreds of dollars outsourcing, this is a solid investment at $47. If I am being completely honest, the best value is probably the Pro package at $67 because the multilingual support and voice cloning add massive value, especially if you're thinking long term. The scene by scene builder is also a game changer for anyone who wants precise control over their messaging. The business upgrade is situational. If you need those extra 35 seconds or priority rendering, go for it. But most people can skip it. The booster pack is worth it if you are doing high volume and you want access to all 12 animation styles. If I had to give this a rating, I would give it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It does exactly what it promises. It's easy to use, the output quality is good, and the price point is fair. It's not perfect, the credit system could be more generous, and the video length cap might frustrate some users. But for what it is, a fast AI-powered VSL creation tool, it delivers. The link is in the description below. If you found this review helpful and you appreciate the honesty, do me a favor and smash that like button. It helps the algorithm push this video to more people who need to see it. Subscribe if you want more software reviews like this where I actually test things and give you the real pros and cons, not just hide. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about VSL Studio and I will answer them personally. And if you decide to grab it, use my link so you get those exclusive bonuses. So I will see you in the next one.